Alright, so here's a subwoofer, 2014 Audi Q7. There's a factory one. I've already done some of the primary wiring. So I'm trying to tap it into the two banks of fuses back here and bridging them together into an 8-gauge wire to provide hopefully plenty of amperage. And close off. So, alright, so we'll start the removal of this one and the installation of the JBL. Alright, so here we are at the removal of the factory sub and the spare tire adapter. JBL Bass Pro Hub comes with its own new adapter. It just goes in there. And sub in. Set up stuff for wiring. Alright, so here we can see after screwing in the threaded rod, it holds it in, bottomed out right there. We'll have to cut a little bit off this rod and shorten it up. Alright, so here we are jumping pretty much to the completion. So I cut down the screw and that fit well. You see the clock position of the speaker is to face the wires out the back, well I guess towards the front of the car, so the tray drops in here, not have to worry about it damaging the wires. Put a piece of split loom on the rim. Not that I think it's really going to rub anything. So here's our final wires, the negative and positive in the split loom. See the signal wires and branched off the power and the remote signal off this JBL audio unit here. This detects the signal and turns on the amp on the subwoofer. Now I decided to cut off the plug that goes into the original subwoofer, but I left enough of a pigtail in there, I could always reconnect it, but that's really not my intention. How you guys do it's up to you. But here's my final install. This unit, there's several studs sticking out of the floor. I was able to put it's a 6mm stud. I put a nut on it. I also put some double-sided tape under this unit, so it's not going to move, it's not going to vibrate. Now I haven't done a lot of testing yet. I can tell you it works. Since we're taking the signal off the factory amp, we're already going through the factory crossover, so you won't be able to take the bass up any higher, lower frequency what it already has. Here's a remote for the JBL unit. I have yet to play with it much, but this is the final install. Next is testing, and then I'll follow up with that.